Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a earwax removal video for you. Now this gentleman's come in complaining of reduced hearing, a feeling of fullness in the ear. Having taken a look, we can see there's a large piece of dry or relatively dry earwax in there. So we're using the standard size ulnar tube. First thing I want to do is try and detach this earwax from the canal walls, so it gives us a better chance of taking this out in one piece if we can. You can see it's quite tacky and sticky, this wax. I think this gentleman's used some drops on his wax to try and soften it himself. But as we're getting grips on it now, you'll start to see little pieces breaking away. There we are, just starting to see these pieces come away now. Constantly manoeuvring the wax back and forth, up and down, to try and detach it from those canal walls. You can see lots of little tiny bits of hair embedded in there, so this gentleman's obviously been trimming the hair in the ears, and that hair has got down inside the wax, which can sometimes bind the wax together. Just detaching this from the canal walls again. You can see just using the suction on different portions of the wax to try and see if we can get any movement to it at all. So you can see we're lifting here from the bottom up, which does tend to loosen the wax a little bit more from the canal wall. A little bit just broken away there. You'll see me constantly shifting position on the wax. That's because the suction machine isn't a tremendous amount of suction. Okay, it's not a huge amount, so we have to try and get the best grip we can. With these little hairs all around the outside edge, it's difficult to get a good suction grip on this wax, so we have to keep moving position just to keep that suction grip on there. Here we are. Now we've got quite a large piece now we're maneuvering out. We're wiggling up and down at this point because it's sitting on a bend, so we have to try and maneuver this wax around that bend. So you can see constantly looking for a better suction grip. There's a tuft of hair that's sitting, you'll see it there now, just on the outside, which is proving difficult to get a good suction or maintain a good suction grip on here. This is now to the outer part of the ear canal. That's the entrance to the ear. There we go. And there we are. Just slowed that down so you can see the eardrum there. Absolutely perfect. These are the pieces we took away, so you can see the piece to the right hand side, about 2 centimeters long. That was the last piece we removed. And all looking good. Well, thank you very much for watching again today, guys. And if you did like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Take care.